Uncomment laugh. Mr. Magic.
Yes, sir.
Like has no ritual.
Yeah.
We ask, how's your heart today?
Sure. Peace. I'm peace. Yeah. I have peace. It's pumping actually.
Yeah.
Thank God. Thank God for grace. Please the best is yet to come.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm a conqueror.
Uyazi mengikubuka mina, and you are now living in another peak, because it feels like you are beginning another peak
sir.
of your life, especially in the media.
Yes, sir.
Omunye angathi, why is Mr. Magic saying the best is yet to come? Isn't this the best?
Yeah, it's the best, but I think uNkulunkulu, what I've been through and my trials and tribulations, and then you know my life when it comes to radio. I thank God for tests because this is Kasamanje say Kakasi. It's not about me anymore. Now is where I have to say to God, you are my hero.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
you are my role model, as which is in Gosepila in my life.
There is Linda Spear on the mic and F the mic. I'll come back to Linda Spear on the mic.
Oh, man.
Lower
Sure.
all my days.
Oh my days.
All my days.
That's Mr. Magic.
That's Mr. Magic, Lord.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Mr. Magic.
Okay. Linda, is it Linda Selphelele or
Kuhle.
Lindo Kuhle? Emmanuel, something there.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the good things.
Yes.
Ulindo Kuhle no Mr. Magic.
Yeah.
Ulindo Kuhle mayibuka Mr. Magic uthi ubando. And then Mr. Magic mayibulindo Kuhle shame. You're very shy, you're quiet, and then you cry. So Ulindo Kuhle, it's a boy oyithola ekhaya mayibuka movie. Ibuka movie esiyakhala.
Yes,
Ulindo Kuhle
yes.
is different than Mr. Magic. Mr. Magic on my days, Mr. Magic is not over until God says it's over. Mr. Magic, even if things are not okay, uthi I'm powerful. Kanti Ulindo Kuhle uyakwazi angena endlini avala umnyango amakhethini abedakhe bese yakhala. Ulindo Kuhle la.
I think ngiyamthanda Lindo Kuhle because Lindo Kuhle feeds into Mr. Magic.
Sure.
And why I'm saying this is because Lindo Kuhle is able to acknowledge ukuthi mekubhlungu kubhlungu. Yeah.
I remember I lost my father 2006. Before that, it was my sister who was Tembile. We funeral Tembile because we were very close. Kwafanele mina ngimotivate ngosuku le-funeral ngangakhala. But Ulindo Kuhle masekuphele everything so kanje wonke umuntu uba nekhona lakhe nenamakhala. Ubaba same thing. One day driving home, preparing for a funeral, and then one listener, we heard about your father. Hey, can I take a picture? So Ulindo Kuhle uba shocked what Mr. Magic
Is experiencing, yeah.
Yeah, but Ulindo Kuhle, but now your father is gone. Mr. Magic was saying I'm on duty 24/7.
Lindo Kuhle is also able to calibrate ukuthi angimnike Mr. Magic lo 10 seconds wesithombe. I'll come back to dealing with this.
Yeah. Ulindo Kuhle is always we are no motivate Mr. Magic.
Sure.
Ulindo Kuhle would okay, do it, but come back. Ulindo Kuhle, you on the front page. Ulindo Kuhle, okay, it's fine on the front page. Then Mr. Magic, come back.
Yeah.
Ulindo Kuhle.
You are Lindo Kuhle.
Yeah. The microphone is not there. Hey, come back. I'm here. Let's sit down. Let's talk. Ulindo Kuhle is a powerful one. Then Mr. Magic. Mr. Magic, for every day, mangene mall. If I leave my house, I'm gonna get to I say, God be with me. Mangene sentin, God be with me. Mr. Magic. Ulindo Kuhle ngangena sentin ehamba ngenyawo. Ulindo Kuhle ngangena. Ulindo Kuhle uyakwazi ukuthi akhale methandaz. Ulindo Kuhle. Mr. Magic funa mayiphambi kwabantu meyizwa lento ayibambe because he's on duty 24/7.
Lindo Kuhle has the ability to remind Mr. Magic ukuthi you are where you are because of God.
Yes.
Lindo Kuhle is able to remind Mr. Magic ukuthi ungadakwa ifame phela.
Sure.
You are not beyond anyone, you are not better than anyone la empilweni. The youngsters today iyabadaka ifame. Why do you think ibadakwa kangaka?
It's because abanayo Ulindo Kuhle wabo, and then into abayenzile they buried Ulindo Kuhle. So what you do, you go on stage and then you think you're God. And then the real you akasekho ulungelo. Segqetshiwe.
Sure.
And then masuweda on stage Mr. Magic mafuna ukhala Ulindo Kuhle uthi hey, I'm here, I'm buried, I'm finished. No rest in peace. So balimazwe lonto ukuthi every day is all about Mr. Magic. You don't have to do that. Funa ube nesikhathi sa Mr. Magic nesikhathi ka Lindo Kuhle. Ulindo Kuhle uthi hlala endlini ufaste 3 days ungaphumi. Mr. Magic would no, let me go see people. Let me be sorry for people. Ulindo Kuhle would no, you are a human being as well. Cry if you want to cry. So abantu abasha abaningi when we industry, sure, I've been around, man. I see a musician coming in the studio, ngenza interview nayo. the next thing ngiyambona kasangiboni because now usefocus kuyifame umsindo. I think Sisihlengo Mhlaba said something very powerful and profound. Uthi but Linda uthatha award from ICC, 7,000 hands clapping for you. But the real thing Mhlaba, when ungena endlini awek aliki hlombe, you are alone. And then in the inner girl kaHlengo Mhlaba, how are you doing?
Yeah.
Why ungakhala ngestage? Why ungabanga real? So we need to go back to the inner us, the boy inside me, the boy from a show, the boy from Mlas, the boy or a security guard or by security guard, the boy what does some police stimulate. I mean, I think each and every day, mang is a stage, the security guard in me and about winner for 3 years. You think you're better. Mang think it, no, it's not over about 20,000. Ati Lloyd some police stimulate not hey, you remember? So meaning Caesar each and every day, I'm highly motivated by Ulindo Gutle.
Sure.
So I come down. But youth, I'm worried. So you're doing well in your podcast now, Daily Tata, you're doing okay. The day you think when usungcono because of what you are doing,
Sure.
then you're gone.
I've lost it. I've lost it. Industry nowadays, creator ama ngingathini overnight celebrities.
Yo, baningi.
Baningi. Maybe as a parting shot, kule conversation about ifame. Sure. What helps you stay relevant for a long time? What builds longevity?
Sure. Wow. I think cool. The late Hiroyami Redo, Boloza and Kansas City and others, they gave me in day one, but ungapagani umabantu bektanda. Stay humble. Young Caesar. Number 2, my father, the late father, Mabo is security guard nai. What mtanam if unyuka entabeni wohlela. Uma sekwehlela ukhala because sazonyuka.
Sure.
It motivated ukuthi now when I'm on top angiyincinze ukuthi what if. So the day isuka this thing in front of me, Linda Wuthla was clapping hands that finally you're coming back. So ndilimaza abantu abaningi about overnight celebrities laba manye ubona this person because ubone ama likes. The mistake ama likes. Ngithemba ngiscore ngathi what do you mean just this person.
Ngiyayibona. Yeah.
Ebese ucabanga ukuthi ama likes iwona kwenza ube umuntu. No. But into engenze ukuthi ngibe relevant ethi mang broadcast a TV or radio is like it's my last day.
Sure.
Yeah. Ngifuna mongizwa namhlanje ukuthi mangise stage. And even if ngine ingane zami, I tell them and say you must love me and appreciate me. I tell them every day I love you guys.
Yeah.
Because yonke into engiyenzayo is like it's my last day.
Sure.
So abantu bokunikeza uthando. But the problem is ngathi Light, we think we are better than our fans or our followers. And then because ungene sentini but hey lungele. No, calm down. Ngiyakwazi mina mangigijima airport ngithi hey listen my brother, I'm rushing, I'm checking in, let's take a picture kamnandi. Ngikutshela kamnandi ukuthi ngiyamala omunye abazi bafitha utshwala hey athi mina hey motivation yakho mfethu angisiza ukuthi uphuzile ngithi manje wenzani manje athi Bulinda. So you must be humbled, come down. Abantu they can feel your
heart.
Baba no lawyers. I know abantu abazenzisayo. I know people who pretend bengathi ngithi shame uzophela wena endleleni. La khona bafika asikhona. Baqonda by right. Badlula sadlula sebasathi.
Sure. Yeah. Umuntu afike aphike kuphele futhi nisakhona because Nina principles of what makes a person sustainable, not just in the industry, but as a human being.
Sure. I have to respect you. And Montana, ungifuna la podcast yakho. I have to know the call time. Can you ngimize studio at I'm late, I'm running late. I mean, go to clients, they will tell you. It's 2:30 or it's 3:15. I respect the call time because I understand. So I'm not a celebrity. I'm not. The only time where I'm on stage is where Mr. Magic acts. Mang eta. Get Linda Wuthla, let's go. Reverend Sharpton, Oti, when I wake up in the morning, I say, devil, here we go again. when I go to bed at night, I say, Sharpton, well done.
Ulindo Kuhle is also the father and not Mr. Magic.
Yes.
He's the father who's loving, who's caring, who takes time out of the busy schedule, out of the businesses, out of building to be loving, man, to just be kind, abe soft neingane ukuthi ingane intombazane imithi kanje ukwazi ukudlala imikhala ngalokhu ukwazi ukuyitotosa.
That's me.
You know, in the very busy schedule you've had and in the midst of fame, did you ever feel guilty ukuthi I'm lacking as a dad because I've given so much time to Mr. Magic?
Yeah, I did that for many years. I was busy. I was doing 3 to 6 in the radio station. I didn't have time. So inganzami nangenaskazam. I thought by taking my kids to boarding school, to better schools, I want you to have a nice English, give them money, get you guys were the best. And then, but my boss now, Marvin Taylor, we wanted our father. I'll come to school. Hey, Dad, they want you Uzalapa Ikishini for it home. I'll go now. And then when I leave, he said, no, I'll come and see you maybe after 2 months. And then Jabulo, I wanted my dad, but Mr. Magic came. So now, it's a payback time.
Yeah.
We have our breakfasts and our Bandawoye, our dinners and lunches. And they don't call me dad, a big brother. They're my brothers.
Yeah.
But it's cutting us lasha because of business, motivation, radio, engagement, events. And then Utando now, okay, he wants to be a hip-hop star. Uti, he wrote a song, Eti, Ngiyazizwa inyawo zababa leaving the house early in the morning. And at night, when I want to speak to him, my father is tired. And I hear him saying, I'm tired, I'm going to bed. And then I'll say, how are the kids? And he'll say, it's fine. Then I sleep. So I'll have 5 days not seeing them. If I see them on a weekend, I'm like, hey, I'm going to the event because I love you. And then, by giving them money, I thought,
welcome to Valis Kali.
Mr. Magic one is man.
Yeah.
Mr. Magic one is equally right. But manje, from 2014 to now, we always together with my kids. I'm at a restaurant, I say, as my favorite, where's your dad? We have about, but Baba wafana bako because
yeah. The last 11 to 12 years where you've been off the mic in the broader scheme of things, definitely life has changed. Omunye umuntu angathi, yo, Mr. Magic, probably he was sad. But for me, it seems like you have a lot of gratitude for that period because you were like, when I was on the mic, there was a lot of noise and being peace.
Is that the period thing says it. One in business, my academy broadcasting yakhula. 2 nami nga-achieve a lot. And then 3 ngaba connected kakhulu ney'ngane zami. Kodwa ingisize kuboneni abantu who aba on my side nabantu ababefuna the microphone, not me. Khona umuntu ongakuthandi wena othanda into oyenzayo.
Sure.
They must pretend to come to you because of the podcast of Daily TED and the business. And then the day suga londo and then they leave. Not to that like best come amanga uti abantu ngiyabaza abantu ave better. No. But no, I don't care. How many people now, because I'm back on radio, and about 2014,
sure,
who are sending me messages? We've been praying for you. I'm like, whoa.
11 years of praying.
Whoa. I'm like, whoa, you pray.
Yeah.
So Ingsizile, cool business family, Nami as well, to reflect and say, Ubra the figure dude, lucky to be figure dude, Zahara. Okay. Yini ngifundile mina as Mr. Magic. Ulinde kuhle wayekuphi. So the iminyaka engisebenze on the breakfast show on the 3 to 6. Ulinde kuhle was crying a suffocator. And I want you. I'll go home to see my mother, my late mother, ngibhaka imoto. Athi mntanami ngicela sikhulume before befika abantu. They will come in numbers again. And then I'll say, Baba, I love you. I didn't have time, no ma. And then when they have on 2017, and then we're boiling the water. What? Yeah, where is your mother now?
Sure.
You know, because we were confused. ngimbiza uLinda Mr Magic or ngimbiza Linda Nguhle and igama lasekhaya ngathi ma call me umehle ndoda igama kababa
Yes.
umhlaba njengendoda.
Sure.
And then the last prayer anginika wona wathi mntana go see the world ngumhlaba wendoda angikuzalelanga emsakazweni ngazala uLinda Nguhle. Uma washona in 2017 after 2 months I tried to call my mother and ngangigalanga kakhulu on the day I had to park the car driving from Durban to Joburg ngakhala. It means umuntu oyebalekile in my life, it was Mr Magic, it was not uLinda Nguhle. So in life manje mangi-motivate, I thank God ukuthi I went through the trials and tribulations. Come down, have time, ukuthi uba ne-diary, yiba ne-call time yengane, call time your family, call time your friends, call time your partner wako, call time your boyfriend, call time yakho, njalo njalo, so that you know unamadoda. Ukuthi wabhala, hey, my diary is full. Fag, would know this weekend I'm not going to be booked. I'm going home.
Yes.
Sunday, I'm going to church. After church, I have lunch with my family.
Sure.
And when I was like, oh, let's go.
Yeah. Asiqabene ifoni yami ngiyiphendule this Sunday. Ama client asiqabene umhlaba ngikuzume Monday sotholana.
Ezinye izizwe zakurespect if you do that. And say, no, guys, I can't see you.
Sure.
I have my kids.
Yes.
I'm going to a parents meeting. You'll see abantu abamnyama sometimes, not bonke, bengafika my parents meetings because we're chasing something. We're running our race.
Material.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because material has mattered to us so much because I think
Sure.
Inherently sizama ukulungisa inkinga zakudala.
Sure.
Sometimes sithi siyalungisa kanti siyamosha.
Utlungisile basekhaya ukuthi no, must work hard, I must build like higher. And sometimes those who keep it camera wrong. Yes, like I take care of you. I didn't nag me. Kasi man didn't nag me.
Ngiyanondla. Usho kumuntu omdala.
You're wrong. There's no black text. There's no there's no black text.
Sure.
Could see like I must take care of your family.
Plain and simple.
Yeah. And also be there for your family, but angaze ngikwenze ukuthi ngiye kubantu as a celebrate. Kwi family no bangibiza uMehle or uLinda Nguhle or uLinda. Mangiyakubona ngiya is just as I am. But sometimes ngibona abantu hamba nabo abadumile when we go to their families, they're acting. They're
on stage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Yeah. Umuntu ophenduka celebrity lasekhaya.
We don't.
Yini leyo?
No. Even ngani
Yeah.
My kids, they know maybe ngene mall. But that say we restaurant the Tile have time. Then I have time with people. I love people. I love people. Yeah.
Because they understand who you are. So bathi uzosifica lapha.
Yeah. ULinda Nguhle uzoba sendlini nawe.
Yes. Maybe a learning moment ukuthi not just us, Linda, who are blessed with uNkulunkulu asiniki fame and popularity njengoba sihlezi lana. There are people who are engineers, they are the first accountant, they are the first graduate in the family. Omunye njengoba usho uyondla ekhaya, uyena osakhe i-double story wakhela umama nobaba.
Yes, sir.
And leyo nto isibenze bacabanga ukuthi umama nobaba must worship them.
Sure. Mayifika ngemoto epaka imoto, khiphana icross emotweni. Akasona ingane. Yeah. Ngenze njani mina? Yazi mina ngikhokhela ingane esikoleni, mina ngiyapenda la ekhaya. You know me. And then you're making a mistake. That's a mistake. Be ingane until you die. Fike ekhaya, ngihlala ngithi mangiya ku-event ngithi Linda Nguhle ngiyaphuma manje. I'm coming back. I work and come back. Mangene ekhaya ngifika. Ngithi Nkosi ngicela ukuba ingane. So that kept me going for many years, even we industry. Ingakho mangibuka back ngithi, 2004, Mandela was number 1, I was number 20. Sunday Times Makino, I was the only radio personality. Why kwenza kanjalo is because I have love for people. But angikhohlwanga ukuthi mina ngubani, I'm not a celebrity.
What felt right about Gagasi FM? And I know in 11 years, everyone has probably asked you to sign with them. Every time you've probably said, okay, I still do March. By March, I'll give you an answer. Make figure March, April 1st, I'll give you an answer. We'll start this thing. I'll go back to radio with your station. 2026, 1st of April, you said yes officially to Gagasi FM. Not as a stand-in, not as an interview here somewhere. You said officially, I'm coming back to the mic. Why the yes?
I think because of last year, the crossover.
Yes, Mhla 31.
Mhla 31, and then basically by the breakfast show with Felix Top and Nomini. You know, when I was doing that show with Felix Nomini, I'm like, all right, okay. Then Friday, and then Base took Balaleli, do you want Mr. Magic to do a crossover?
Yeah, on Facebook.
On Facebook.
Yes.
We just want 10,000 likes. In 16 minutes, it was like 10,000.
Hey, bo.
Must promise to the 30,000.
Hey, bo.
At night it was 100,000. And then I went home. And then my sons were like, hey, Pops, hey, you can't retire now. Get the guys now, man. But you can't. You know, I've got business. But no, you can't retire. And then the MD and Alex and Tian, are in the Milans. But hey, listen, come on, what do you think? And then the MD at no will give you 1 hour in the morning, Monday to Friday. I'm like, I've done breakfast shows, I've done 3 to 6, but no, don't worry. And then we'll give you a Sunday show. And I said, no, man. And then 2 boys, I'm very close to Tando and Jabul, but take it. If you believe with one back, Tanda, do it. 2, if you believe in your craft, do it. 3, but if you're not doing for fame, show us. Not, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm signing. So I think go to 31st, it was too much because the app crashed. Come on.
Only magic. Oh, my days.
So I said, ni hao. Let's do it. So
Yeah.
I think 31st, the one wrong is the power code with on ETS. And I'm loving it and I'm happy. And then abanye Betty, no, nguvuke in the morning. And they don't know. I ngivuka ngo 3 every day. I pray at 3. Then manje seko easy. Ngiwas station ngo4.
Yes.
5 I'm on air.
Ngengikuzo lapha no Antoma 2000 sokuthi hayi so rate mali ngoma 2000.
When I was 2000, uthi yena uhanova 2Ks.
Yes.
Uthi mina I'm a father for my 2Ks.
Baba wama 2K.
Say guys, I'm a father. I'm here.